Today we're going to make this simple pair of earrings using crystals, wire, and ear wires. I'm going to make some earrings. That's about 3.5 to 4 inch piece of wire. And I'm going to try to pick up 7 of these. Well, I'll need to go ahead and get a variety on here, because these are going to be a quick. Alright. 1, 2, and these are, I think they're 3mm. Yeah, they're 3mm. And this is 24 gauge. And then I'm going to do 7, and these are 4mm crystals. Just have to hold them all together until you get them all on there. And I need 3 more of the pearls, if they'll cooperate. I think the other end of my wire had a catch on it from where I cut it. Seems like that one don't want to go through. Now, might need a little bit longer piece of wire. But we're going to make do with what I've got. I'm going to bring it together like that. I'm going to twist it around. Pull it as tight as I can. And go back around it one more time. This you could hang a little dangle in. I might try that on the next one. I mean, not this pair, but a different pair. Okay. Now, get your round nose out. You probably could have used another inch worth of wire to be on the safe side. And if you had bigger holes in it, stiffer wire like 22 gauge might have worked better, but I figured I was going to have a hard time getting through that. The pearls, which they're not really pearls, they're glass beads, but I always try to put my finger over it so I don't shoot it across the room because I don't want nobody stepping on it. And you could take a paintbrush or something. Well, that one ain't big enough, but maybe one of these bigger ones, and shape it. It could be round. Oops. Now let's make the other one. Hope I have enough beads here. I've got an end on that one. Let's try this end. Yeah, I think I'd cut the wire a little bit longer than what I said. I lost one. The vacuum cleaners, I love that. It'd been better to use the silver wire with these, but I don't have any 24 gauge silver wire. And my 20 gauge is not going to fit through those holes. I had to get one more of them pearls, and I don't know where I laid the bag. Let's gently lay that down. I was saying the other day that whenever, hopefully a long time from now, whenever I pass, my boys, my two boys are going to have jewelry that they're not going to know what to do with. That their mother made. I'll probably just hang on to it as a keepsake, but you never know. I'll give it to little cousins and nieces and whoever. Alright. And I'm the oldest, so I guess my siblings. Wrong one. Those I've hit with a torch, and the torch has bent the ends back so they don't quite close at the top. I might cut that. Oh, let me tell you the funniest thing that happened last night. I had put the cat out of the bedroom, and we had went to sleep. And I've got 2 cats. I've got a boy and a girl. So I thought the boy was already in the living room. So the girl stood by the bedroom door and meowed for a good 30 minutes. And I thought, well, I better go see what she's saying, because I've heard of animals letting you know that there's a fire or something. Because it's not usual for her to sit there and meow, 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 meow. So I go and I open the door and I say, what do you want? And I look around and I don't see nothing. So I go back to bed. And then I hear my boy cat, and I had a package sitting in here that had some beads in it that I had gotten, and he decided to start playing with it. And he was in the bedroom the whole time, and she was trying to tell me that he's not here, because she usually lays down with him and goes to sleep. So she's like, he's not here, he's in there. I thought, well, I better see what she wants, because what if the house is on fire or something? You never know. All it was he was in the bedroom and she was out there by herself. Well, wish I had something more teardrop shape. But this, at least I get them the same shape. I should have had them laid out. I meant to. It'd been better if they were silver wire, but these open on the back. I don't have any silver wire, and I can't afford to buy any right now. And I just had retinol, well, it was laser on my eye, and I have to go get the second one done. It's not torn yet, but it has the potential of tearing. That's what she said. So I've had 2 tears in one eye, and then the second one is, she said, it will tear. So I hope I've been in frame for that. Okay. Yeah, there's our earrings. Thanks for watching. That's a simple little pair of earrings you can make. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.